essential tips to secure your hotel. Learn about the top hotel security measures that can safeguard your property and enhance guest trust. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Ensuring the safety and security of your guests and property is paramount. With the increasing incidence of thefts, break-ins, and property damage, independent hotel owners and operators must adopt comprehensive security measures. In this article, I will look into essential strategies for preventing theft and property damage in hotels, providing actionable insights and tips for hoteliers. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to safeguard your hotel, protect your guests, and minimize liabilities. Did you hear the great news? The Check-in to Success, Building and Running Your Hotel Business course has been revitalized and relaunched. Dive into hotel success with our course, Check-in to Success, Building and Running Your Hotel Business. Perfect for new and seasoned hoteliers. This 12-module journey covers everything from management to guest experience. With 85 lessons across videos, MP3s, and PDFs, plus quizzes to test your knowledge, you'll gain practical skills and insights to elevate your hotel business. Discover modules on market research, financial management, team building, branding, and more. Start now and turn your hotel dream into a reality. Click the link to see how you will benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your hotel business. Implementing robust security measures. Effective security measures form the foundation of hotel safety. Installing and maintaining a comprehensive CCTV system throughout the property is crucial. Ensuring all rooms are equipped with high-quality locks and provide in-room safes for guests to secure their valuables. Adequate lighting, especially in hallways and exterior spaces, is essential to deter potential intruders and ensure guests feel safe. One hotelier I spoke with remarked, "Our guests are our stars, and we keep them shining bright with excellent lighting." Training your staff on security protocols. Proper staff training is indispensable in maintaining hotel security. Conduct thorough background checks when hiring new employees. Train your staff on security protocols and how to respond to incidents promptly and effectively. Emphasize the importance of guest privacy and property protection. Establish clear policies and procedures. Creating detailed protocols for handling theft or damage reports is essential. Ensure all staff members know how to contact the police immediately when an incident occurs. Maintain logs of key card usage and room entries to track and investigate any suspicious activities. A clear and structured approach helps manage incidents effectively and maintains trust with your guests. Display liability notices prominently. Ensure these notices are prominently placed near the reception or main entrance. This not only informs guests, but also serves as a legal safeguard for your property. Respond promptly and professionally to incidents. Taking all reports seriously and acting quickly is crucial in managing hotel security. Cooperate fully with police investigations and provide support to affected guests, including assistance with police reports and insurance claims. A timely and professional response reassures guests and maintains your hotel's reputation. Document everything. Keeping detailed records of all incidents, including witness statements and CCTV footage, is crucial. Maintain an inventory of hotel property and encourage guests to do the same for their belongings. Proper documentation aids in investigations and insurance claims, ensuring a clear and effective resolution process. Review and update insurance coverage regularly. Ensure that you have adequate insurance to cover potential losses and liabilities. Understand what your policy covers and any limitations. Regularly reviewing and updating your insurance coverage ensures you are well prepared for any eventualities. Encourage guests responsibly. Reminding guests to use in-room safes and take precautions with their belongings is important. Provide information on hotel security measures and any additional services available. Encouraging guests responsibly not only enhances security, but also fosters a collaborative safety culture. Regularly assess and upgrade security. Conduct periodic security audits to identify potential vulnerabilities. Stay informed about new security technologies and implement improvements as needed. Regular assessments and upgrades ensure your security measures remain effective and up to date. Imagine having a treasure trove of hotel management wisdom at your fingertips. That's what you get with our guide. Unlocking Hospitality Success, 25 Must-Know Insights for Independent Hotel Owners. It's your blueprint for building a standout hotel that guests can't resist. Seize this chance and refine hospitality on your terms. Download your free guide from the link in the show notes and start making waves in the hotel industry today. How do you manage security at your hotel? Share your experiences in the comments. By implementing these proactive steps, you can minimize the risk of thefts, break-ins, and property damage. This comprehensive approach ensures that you are prepared to handle incidents effectively, protecting your guests, your business's reputation, and your financial interests. Ensuring hotel security is not just about prevention, but also about providing a safe and welcoming environment for all. In our next episode, I will talk about improving your hotel sleep quality. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.